Hey guys, I'm Greg with Quantum Machinery Group, and this is our new 48-inch by 48-inch System16 mobile workstation. This mobile workstation features a 1/2-inch thick top that is through-hardened tool steel, and it's been plasma nitrated and bar coated, so that's going to help against weld spatter, rust, corrosion, and even scratches. The hole bore is 16 millimeter or 5/8 of an inch, and it has a 2-inch center spacing. The top is reversible, so if your crew is hard on equipment, have no fear. You just flip the top and you got a whole new lease on life, extending the life of this weld table. This table does feature 2 ball bearing sliding drawers, but you can add more to it, and you can find these parts linked in the video's description. The table has clamp storage right on the side, bolt storage on the front, as well as stop storage on the front as well. Let's face it, with holes in a table like this, when you're assembling things, you're going to drop bolts and nuts down inside the table. This table does feature a slide out clean out tray, so just pull it out, grab the nuts and bolts, and you're back in business. This table does feature lockable casters, so once you roll it to where you need to go, you can then adjust the adjustable feet to level out the workstation. There's a lot of versatility in this workstation. You can mount a welder directly onto it. You can add more drawers. You can have a ton of fabricating tool storage. This is going to be a game changer when it comes to your shop. We also have multiple accessory sets for the System16, and you can find those linked in the video's description. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, there's going to be no replacement for a tool like this Siegmund 48-inch by 48-inch mobile workstation. So thank you guys so much for checking out this Siegmund workstation. Make sure to check out the links in the video's description for this, as well as all of our accessories that we have to offer for the System16 tables. Make sure to follow us on social media, where you'll see new products as well as some customer builds, and stay safe, keep on fabricating.